When you're running a business online, building a professional site is just the beginning. Next, you'll need to turn site visitors into leads, bring in more site visitors, and build lasting customer relationships. You can do all this in one place with Ascend. Let's take a look. First up, turning visitors into leads. Every Wix site comes with live chat built in, so you can reach out to visitors as they browse your site. You can answer questions, encourage sales, and collect contact details with this lead capture form. Here, you can create automations to keep visitors engaged when you're not around to chat. So let's set one up. Choose the trigger, like a visitor submitting a contact form, the action, like sending a chat or email response, and the timing. Let's make this one immediately. We chose email as our action here, so let's personalize the message. First, choose a template. They're all professionally designed to help drive clicks, so you just need to use drag and drop to add your own text and images. Now let's see how to bring more visitors to your site. Create eye-catching social posts like this. All these designs are in line with the latest social trends, just customized to suit your brand, and share on Facebook and Instagram. You can also make a stylish video ad in just a few clicks. Fun fact, promoting your business through video can boost your revenue by 49%. So when you're happy with your edit, share it directly to Facebook or YouTube. By connecting your site to tools like Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics, you can create targeted ads and monitor how people interact with your site and campaigns. These stats let you know what works and what doesn't, so you can optimize your next campaign. Once you've got your brand out there, you can expect more site visitors. So now you need to start building customer relationships. Let's see how. So, a new visitor arrives on your site, and they ask you a question. You get a notification on your phone and respond right away. You help your visitor out and encourage a booking or sale. Every chat conversation is automatically saved here in your inbox. And you can manage all your contact info here too, adding notes and labels like this. This helps you give great customer service. When it's time for payment, you send out an invoice from here. Now your new site visitor is a paying customer. Let's turn them into a regular. With this handy shortcut bar, you can send out a discount coupon to encourage a second booking or purchase. And next time you're having a sale, let this customer know with a beautiful email campaign. Wix's email marketing solution is synced with your contact list, so you can easily manage your mailing list, targeting all your contacts, or just a select group. Try it yourself. Ascend by Wix is built into your Wix site, so start managing and growing your business today.